Now that you've got your yellow face all done and the first layer all done, still like 3x3x3, you're going to be solving the second and third layer. So what you're going to do, line them up and do the algorithm needed to solve the H pairs. Just like this, just keep doing. Here we go. Well, I think we have a parity. Well, don't concern yourself too much over what the hell a parity is. I'll be covering this in another video. You should be having this. Just treat this like as if the white is up here, because in a 4x4x4 you run the parity, and right now we have two. If you have a cube like me where this thing is flipped, you're gonna need to have this algorithm. We have two parities here, one flipped H and two corners that are diagonally opposite one another from where they should be. So, well, I usually like to solve the edges first. Well, here is a disgustingly long algorithm you have to take. 2R star, 2B, 2U, L star, 2U, R star inverted, 2U, R star, 2U, 2F, R star, 2F, L star inverted, 2B, 2R star. Now you see everything's on the top, so you're gonna have to get the top cross oriented properly again. Just like in 3x3x3, very simple. Now check the corners. Oh, it's changed a little bit. Now we have this parity problem where the corners are in the same face but in the wrong position. So here's another disgustingly long algorithm you have to take to solve this. Here it goes. 2U star, 2L star, 2U, 2 small l, 2U, 2L star, 2U star, front inverted, up inverted, front, up, front, right inverted, 2 fronts, up, front, up, front inverted, up inverted, front, right. Now you see that the corners are in the right places where they should be. So now again solve it as if it's a 3x3x3. Right inverted, down inverted. Oh sorry, I mean right inverted, down inverted, right down. Ouch, I hate doing that to my cube. That snapping sound I feel for my cube. Seriously, the 4x4, it feels very fragile to me. It's like it's going to break apart at any moment. It's smooth, really. It's much smoother than my 3x3, but well, it gets jammed pretty easily, like because you need to get the rows or the columns really lined up very nicely before you can actually move the face. Well, there you have it. 4x4 is done. Yay! Check out my next video, because in that I'll be covering the parity cases that you will meet in your course of solving the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Well, till then, enjoy your time with this beastly 4x4. I'll see you.